Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, we are going to be talking about Binance and whether or not these guys are at risk of something, really devastating happening to the platform. I'll tell you guys right out of the gates, I personally believe that Binance is here to stay. That being said, they might not need to operate in the US. In fact, many crypto exchanges may just end up leaving the US altogether. We're going to talk about some of the recent allegations against Binance, what's going on right now with the most recent one actually considered illegal in Nigeria, and a lot more. Let's hop into it. We'll look at the price action. Today's a tough day in crypto, guys, but I am still a believer. If you are too, smash a like, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you guys. We believe a bull market is coming at some point. Crypto is here to stay, in our opinion. This is not financial advice, but guys, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber at 10,000 subscribers on the channel. We're right there, so make sure you smash the like, subscribe right now. Let's hop in, guys. Let's look at what's going on. So, in case you didn't see the overall market, and let me just say this too, this is something I've been talking about a lot, guys. I said there is a chance that crypto could bounce back off the $1 trillion level again, and looky here, guys, we are making a move down towards $1 trillion. Leave a comment if you guys have been watching the content. I've been talking about this, guys. I want you guys to put that in there for all the newcomers to this channel so they understand. We look at this thing, we have a couple ideas. Sometimes those happen. We can't predict the future. But we're bullish here on crypto. Binance, however, is struggling. Look at this, down 23% over the last 7 days. If you compare that to like a Crocoin, for example, another crypto exchange, only down 12%. And that even comes after some news, which I'm doing in a video later today about crypto.com exchange, actually shuttering some of its operations as well. But Binance is certainly in a much more difficult position. And a lot of people are asking, can Binance survive these SEC charges? And it's a valid question because this is unprecedented. We have not had a government body coming after a crypto exchange to this extent. But here's an opinion article from CoinDesk, and there's a good point to it. Don't bet against someone with 8 million Twitter followers who built by far the largest crypto exchange in the world. It is a bad bet. If it comes to a lawsuit, they have billions that they could use to fight the SEC, which is likely not as well funded as a $1 billion crypto exchange. The SEC probably doesn't have the funding it used to be, and that's why maybe they're having a hard time doing some of this regulation. Also, too, the SEC is a very old entity. The first securities laws were passed in 1933, so maybe it's time to update some of these security laws as well, so that we can adopt some of this new technology. But Binance is at the brunt end of some of the pain right now, seeing Nigerian regulator just halted in all Binance operations in the country, saying basically that it is illegal altogether. Now, whether or not people will obey this, whether or not this is going to be something they're going to look for the citizens to be compliant with this law, we'll have to see how that plays out. But Binance is hitting hurdles in a lot of places. That's why it's so important for these companies to get clear regulations so they can go in and register. The problem in Nigeria is that they're not registered with the securities regulator in Nigeria, and so they need to get regulated, but probably, again, a lack of clarity. So it's probably the same thing that's going on in the US. Why? Because this is a new industry. And a tweet by Binance and CZ that I want to share with you guys. Why is the market going up or down? Nobody really knows. And that's a great point. Nobody knows where we're going to go, really. A lot of people claim to know, but, in reality, there are many sellers and many buyers in a market. Everyone has their own reasons. Here's some examples. False narrative. Binance converted its holdings to fiat. Fact, Binance fiat stable reserves used to pay short-term salaries or expenses decreased. Our crypto reserves increased the past few months, weeks, days. So this is the kind of stuff that CZ has to go out and go against. Why? Because we see some of the stories on mainstream media like this from Jim Cramer tweeting out, today, those who toil daily to prop up crypto coins will have to work in overdrive. The Binance brief by the SEC is so devastating that the defenders of this company will have to do some serious soul searching and expend real capital to maintain what looks like a sham. He calls Binance a sham. That doesn't make sense. Or maybe he's calling the entire crypto market a sham, but he says the word Binance. This is FUD, guys. This is peak FUD. These are peak fear levels. Now, if you believe in cryptocurrency and you believe in the future, you should probably believe in the future of the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. That is my opinion. That's not financial advice, but I feel actually very strong on Binance Coin. We talk a lot about crypto.com on this channel, But we got to talk about Binance Coin too, because it is the largest crypto out there. There's a Binance Smart Chain, which has a lot of utility. It's the second chain in total value locked up in all of DeFi. That's significant. Then it's the world's largest exchange. And when you look at the price action that this coin actually had in the bear market, guys, this thing only came down like 30% in the bear market, and it really wasn't that bad. The bear market was pretty good to crypto.com, or excuse me, to Binance. And it was holding on to the $300 price level for a while. Unless we get a serious breakdown below 200, I wouldn't be in a panic state for Binance. And honestly, guys, below 200, I wouldn't be in a panic state for Binance. In my opinion, if you're buying into cryptos, especially exchange tokens in general, there's a lot of risks with regulations, laws, governments, and a lot of hurdles, a lot of red tape that we're going to have to watch unfold, go breaking through that red tape as crypto adoption comes into the picture. And exchanges are going to be at the forefront of that, guys. So there's going to be max pain at times for these exchanges. But I believe when the bull market does come back, and I personally believe that it will come back, in this 4-year cycle, we talk about the Bitcoin halving every 4 years. It's March of 2024 that it's coming up. I believe that the exchanges, as they take the brunt of the heat in the bear market, they will take the boost of the bull market as well, which is why I'm bullish on a coin like Binance and crypto.com. So really, guys, these are the days where I think it's a good time for accumulation. Personally, in my portfolio, let me know what you're doing in the comments down below. I'm very curious. But I also want to drive home this point too, guys. At the end of the day, the best investments you can have in crypto are Binance and Ethereum, guys. At the end of the day, those are your two bets, in my opinion. Why? Really, because the regulators can't quite touch those, or so we haven't seen that yet. I'm still bullish on Binance. I'm still bullish on all the exchange tokens. I'm bullish on metaverse plays. Not every single token goes up, guys, but I am continuing to hold. I'm continuing to dollar cost average. Let me know what you're doing in the comments down below. Look at the target, guys, March of 2024. Do you still believe there's a bull market coming? Let me know, guys. That's all I got. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you got a DCA hodl, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. Peace.